welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We've got a Kia Sportage here. I'm just going to show you how to change the air cleaner, because if you're thinking, oh, I'm not DIY, I couldn't change my air cleaner, let me tell you, this is the 4-cylinder turbo diesel, and on this engine, it's really, really easy. Every DIYer can do this. Hopefully you'll also get a rag and get your motor a bit cleaner than this one. This is a rental. So here, lift to open. This, you're following back from the car. This is the track that the air's traveling, and there's going to be a filter in this box here. We lift this up, and hello, we've got something here. 2 little knobs, press down like that. That comes out. And if you don't have another filter, you'll notice underneath there, any bugs and build-up will be underneath. You can give it a bit of a bang out. You can also then replace your air cleaner. This is something good to do every second oil change, is put a new air cleaner in. The engine's got to breathe, got to get it there, and if this gets blocked, then it slows down the efficiency of that. So these same little feet that you moved, they're still on the outside. Slide it in. It auto installs itself. Lift that up, press that down to click. That's it. Changing your engine air cleaner in a Kia. Absolute kudos to the engineers. You've made that really good for the home guy. Have a look at the links in the description so where you can get an air cleaner, and that's something you can definitely take care of yourself.